In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a note with Google Keep Notes on Google Drive easily and quickly. If you've ever needed a simple way to keep track of your thoughts, to-do lists, or reminders, Google Keep is an excellent tool to have at your disposal, and I'm here to help you get started using it in no time. First, let's begin by navigating to your Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and log into your Google account, then head over to Google Drive. Once you're there, you should see the familiar Google Drive homepage. This is your central hub for all things Google, offering you access to Drive storage, linked apps, and services like Docs, Sheets, and more. Today, however, our focus is on Google Keep, a very handy note-taking application that's part of this ecosystem. On the top right corner of your Google Drive interface, you'll notice several icons. Among these, look for the yellow icon with a light bulb. That's the Google Keep option. Go ahead and click on this icon to open it. As soon as you click it, you'll be directed to Google Keep. This is a focused space designed specifically for you to efficiently organize your notes. Now that you're in Google Keep, you can start creating notes. The interface is deliberately clean and straightforward, making it easy to jump right in without having to deal with a steep learning curve. To add a note, simply click on the Take a Note option. This will prompt you to enter your content directly. Feel free to type in anything you want to remember, from grocery lists to inspiration for your next big project. Keep in mind that Google Keep is not just about jotting down information. It also offers you several useful features like setting reminders, adding images, or even color coding your notes for easier tracking. All these features are designed to help you stay organized and ensure that your notes are as personalized and efficient as possible. By using Google Keep through your Google Drive, you can seamlessly integrate your notes into the broader suite of Google services you're already using. This integration makes managing your digital life a breeze, keeping everything neatly connected and easy to access whenever you need it. So there you have it, a quick and straightforward way to create and manage notes using Google Keep within Google Drive. With just a few clicks, your thoughts and lists are securely stored and available across all your devices. Remember to keep exploring the features offered to maximize your productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this guide helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.